mwanzo kabisa kipindi naanza trading nilikuwa najua, nikijua strategies, nikawa na capital, nikawa na trading softwares, then nikipata knowledge kidogo, then nitakuwa vizuri kwenye upande wa trading na nita make a lot of money. But nimeingia kwenye forex, nimeanza kutrade, but things have not went like the way I was thinking. Na hii sio kwamba labda kwangu mimi tu, hii waga inakuwa kwa traders wote, na traders wengi ambao wanaanza bila guidance nzuri huwa wanafollow kwenye hii trap. So it reached the point I was just looking for ways on how I can skyrocket my tradings, and kupitia muda huo na kwenye hicho kipindi nilikuja nikagundua, nikapata secret codes ambazo nilizicrack, na baada ya hapo mambo yangu ya kwenye trading yakawa fresh. Na kwenye hii video ndo nitaenda kukuelekeza ni jinsi gani ya wewe mtu ambaye sasa hivi unajua everything about trading, but you end up at the end of the month, guys, unprofitable. You keep losing money. And within this video, guys, I'm just going to let you know what you should do, what you should not do, and what you should fix and what you should not fix for you to become successful in forex trading. A lot of new beginner traders, they just think that if they come to the market for them to make money, they only need to have the profitable system. They need to have a capital and the trading softwares, trading tools, and the trading devices like the computer, the laptop, and other fancy stuffs. But this does not, guys, work. If you fail to fix one thing, guys, in trading, that I'm just going to let you know within this video, you won't become profitable in trading. Na huu ni ukweli mtupu. I'm not, guys, selling your dream. I'm not, guys, kidding you. I'm not joking. This is what you needed to follow, and what I'm just going to let you know within this video is so important for you if you need to become successful in 2026 in forex trading. The first and foremost reason that you needed to understand is that the reason why you keep losing, even though you have everything that you need to have for you to become successful in 2026, but you just still unprofitable, is just only one thing, and the other thing is just the relationship between you and the market. So you needed to redefine your relationship with the market. If you redefine the relationship between you and the market, then you become successful in 2026. What do I mean by saying to redefine the relationship between you and the market? I just mean this. There are almost 5 key fundamental points that you need to grasp and understand, and you need to make them at the functional core function of your mind once you come into the forex market. And these points are just like this. The first point: anything in the market can happen at any moment, at any time, at any particular pair, at any trading instrument. So even though you have made your analysis very well, even if your system is just telling you to buy or to sell, you needed to put one thing into your mind, is that anything can happen. The price can go up, the price can go down in massive, or the price can stagnate at that particular point for several days, several times, or for several weeks. So you needed to understand it. And if you understand that thing, guys, you won't become reckless, as you'll be, guys, thinking in probability. For me, that was a huge changes in my trading career, because I knew that in the market I should not project the things to go the way I have planned, because there are so many people, so many institutions, so many traders around the globe who are just participating in the forex market. And whenever I see that opportunity, maybe buy or a sell opportunity, I should not be attached too much to it, even if the price is just going against me. So if I see that the price is just making higher lows, higher lows, to my sell setup, I just need to exit and manage my risk properly. And once I have, guys, taken the sell and I have taken a buy, and I started seeing the market just going against me, I needed to close my position, and that is what, guys, have made me to become profitable till this moment. The second and the most important thing is just that is the second reason, and at this point is that every moment in the market is unique. If you understand that every moment is unique, then you'll become so selective, and you won't associate the previous trades with the current situation. As if you need to become successful, you needed to be in the zone. And to be in the zone is to not try to associate the trades that you took in the previous with the trades you are into the moment. You have to treat every moment as independent of the other trades you took in the past. You're gonna have everything that you had in the previous day, or you can have the other things that were perfectly the same. You're gonna have the same things that are perfectly the same, which is also you took in the area trades, and maybe let's say you took a buy, the entry signals were the same, everything was the same, and the lie now, the things that you used to get that win trade have has been presented. So you should not be attacked too much that this was a buy and I took a win from that trade, and it would have got the same entry signals and every scenarios are just particular the same. Then is this it must go up. That is does not work as in forex. As you need to understand this, every particular trade is unique, and don't try to associate the moment which is a past trade size, because you never know how many traders are looking to buy, how many traders are just looking to sell that particular pair, how many traders are just waiting to cross the trades, how many traders are just willing to cross and the open as trades. So there are guys so many factors that you won't put into considerations. You won't know in certainty. Since there are so many things that you won't understand to ascertain, you won't understand how many people are there who are just willing to buy or sell that particular pair, who are willing to exit the trades or add more trades. Then you should treat every single trade unique. You should not associate this trade with the previous trades. The third reason, guys, is that you needed to put into to your head and become the functional thinking for your head is that the series of losers and winners are random distributed. So every time you enter the market, don't expect that you'll have the series of losers and then you'll have the series of winners. Let's say you have the 50% win rate. Don't think that you'll have the five consecutive losers in a series, or you'll have the five series of winners before making the losers. Does not work. You're gonna have a winner, winner, loss, 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 winner, winner, loss, loss, or you're gonna have a winner, loss, winner, winner, loss, 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 loss. Then like that. That is how guys the market guys works. You won't know in certainty that is this a trade that have guys press the now is just going to work or it does not going to work. And that is where the risk management comes into play. The first point that you need to understand is that you don't need to know what is just going to happen in the market for you to make money. Maybe some people they say that if you project maybe the market is just going to go up, then you'll make money. That does not guys work in forex. You're gonna guess that the market is just going to go down and you won't make money. The most important thing is that when you spot your trading setup, then you should buy or sell. Follow your plan to the T. If you have written that you will manage the trade in A, B, C, maybe you cross the partial, or you move support to break even, or you scale in more positions when the price goes into your favor, or when the prices start to drop and down, you close the 50% off your trade, and then you work with the half of the rows that maybe will come. Then that is what you're supposed to do. You should not maybe thinking maybe if I know what is just going to happen on in the market is where I'll make money. That is not the truth. And for you to become successful, guys, you should not think that if I understand what is just going to happen in the market is where I'll be able to make money from trading. That is just for losers. But for winners, they don't think and they don't take much time and they don't waste their times to start thinking that what is just going to happen and what is just going to happen. But they are flexible and they are just moving with the flow guys of the market. The last and the most important factors that you need to understand is that an age is nothing than the thing that shows the high probability of one thing happening over another. There are so many there are so many edges. There are so many edges, and there is not even one edge that if you grasp it all, you become unstoppable. There are so many edges that every traders use in the world. For instance, myself, I have my own age, which I have proven. I have tested these guys over data, previous data, and I have tested it, guys, with many trading pairs and instruments. Others out of forex market. I have tried it and I have found it that my plan and my age is just working, so I stick to it. But don't think that that age is 100% uh, sure. But that my age is just only the thing that shows me the high probability of one thing happening over another. I can spot a buy opportunity, but the market gonna sell. I'm gonna spot a sell opportunity, and the market gonna buy on the other side. So that is, guys, how the market works. And if you define it the way how you think from the market perspective, guys, you'll become invincible and you'll become unstoppable in 2026.